Welcome, people, bots, and algos of the interwebs. This is the Thursday's edition of the Analyst. Today, we embark on a momentous journey of building interactive reports. These are the topics we are covering today: converting filters into parameters, report parameter properties, make a dynamic report title, add a parameter manually, report actions, sort the reports in a table. So we start off with convert filters into parameters. You can make the experience better by asking the user what categories they want to see and then dynamically updating the report to show just the requested information. We do this by adding a parameter to a filter. Let's explore the concept of parameterized filters by making a new report. I'll choose to use a table or matrix wizard. By this time, but this time I'm not going to use a shared data set. I'm going to be creating a new data set. So set next. Now I will be choosing. Uh, we are selecting the worldwide imported database. We're going to be building our entire query from the wide world imported database. Sorry. Selecting stock ID, stock item name, brand, and size from warehouse stock items. So we select stock item ID, stock item name, brand, size. Now we are going to be creating a new filter. Add filter. The filter that we want to filter on color name. So click down in the bottom and apply filters, field name, and we search for warehouse colors, color name. Now we're going to parameterize this filter, asking for a value. One of the colors in the color names is yellow, so type yellow. Let's run the query. Only yellow items are brought forth. So if you want a better understanding as to what else you bring in, let's bring the color name as well. So it's at least run the query again. It's only yellow. Click next. I want to leave the, let's have a look at the TSQL. Right here we can see there's a, there's a variable created in the web class called color name. Color name is the variable that is used to hold all the colors in the color table. Align everything. parameter is up here. This is color name. If we do red, get all the red items back. In a later video, we will be parameterizing this field even further by creating a drop down with all available color names. So if a color has ran out or it's sold, you won't find it in the drop down list. Right now, you don't know what colors are there unless you are totally familiar with the content list. So let's go ahead and save this as inventory by color. Take a look at how this report looks on the web portal. Here's inventory by color 1. Our parameterized field is already filled in. All the blue items back. Thank you for watching.